1987 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC. Price: $24,750. Location: Dallas. The 1987 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC is not just a car, it's a statement of timeless luxury and engineering excellence from an era when vehicles were built to last a lifetime. Finished in its original nautical blue metallic, this grand touring coupe immediately captures attention with its deep, rich color and unmistakable presence on the road. The design of this 560 SEC reflects the peak of late 1980s sophistication, featuring a sleek pillarless coupe body that exudes both elegance and power. The long hood, wide stance, and subtle chrome accents create a balanced aesthetic that feels both classic and commanding. Step inside, and you're greeted by a refined cream interior, beautifully complemented by high-quality wood veneer trim that adds warmth and prestige to every drive. The heart of this machine is its powerful V8 fuel-injected engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers effortless performance. The driving experience is quiet, stable, and incredibly refined, thanks to features like power-assisted steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and a well-engineered suspension system that glides over the road with confidence. The interior is where this car truly shines, offering a blend of comfort and classic luxury. Equipped with air conditioning, power windows, cruise control, and electrically adjustable front seats, it ensures every journey is relaxing and enjoyable. The iconic VDO instrument cluster, analog clock, and Becker Grand Prix radio provide a nostalgic charm that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. The attention to detail extends beyond aesthetics, with practical features such as Bosch headlights with washers, front fog lights, and 16-inch 5-spoke wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. Even the original jack, toolkit, and spare tire are present, highlighting the careful ownership and preservation this vehicle has received over the years. The 560 SEC represents more than just transportation. It embodies a lifestyle of elegance, performance, and heritage. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this is an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that continues to impress both on the road and at a standstill.